how to provide feedback for any course. So the objective of this tutorial is to learn how to provide a feedback for any enrolled courses. So for that, first we will visit the website everyeng.com. Then on the top right corner where you can see login button is there, we will click on there. Then our first step will be to log in. So I am using my login ID. And then I am trying to log in. Now once it is logged, I will be checking my enrollments. And see, let's assume that this is the course for which I want to give a feedback. So once you open this course, enrolled course, you see that one pop-up button is already appeared for which I am able to provide the feedback. Now as I have already enrolled on this course and I know this is a very good course and it is suggested for everybody, so I am giving my feedback. I am providing a 5-star rating for this course and then adding my feedback. The course is nicely organized and the mentor Mr. Aninda explained all details with much clarity. Suggested for any advanced user who wants to master FA analysis basics. He clarified all doubts raised by all participants. Okay, then I can submit this course or this feedback. Now once you submit it, you see one more pop-up has appeared. This is in Trustpilot. So it is always suggested that after giving the feedback in every website, let's rate the website as well as the course in Trustpilot. So for that, what we will do, we will click on rate now. Now you see, once you clicked on it, automatically a new window opened, that is trustpilot.com for everyeng.com. Now once this opens, you have to create your login ID and password in Trustpilot website, and it's very easier. You can simply log in using your Gmail ID or other options also you will be getting. Even by creating a new mail ID also you can join the Trustpilot platform and then leave your feedback. Here you can already see that some of the persons has already given feedback. One from India, average is 3.7, and this is average review. So that way you can add your own review, and it is suggested that please provide your genuine review so that people knows about this Everyeng platform. I believe there is some issue with the site. It is not opening properly. Let me run. So now it is open properly. So you see how many have given total 2 reviews. One gave 5 star, one gave 4 star. How the average is 3.7 star, I do not know. Because one 5 star, one 4 star means it should be at least 4.5 star. Okay, no you worry. Now to give the feedback, you have to click on here, login, and if you do not have a login, you please create your login details, or directly you can log in using continue with Google, then continue with Facebook, sign in with Apple, or continue with email. Now any one option you can choose and then provide your feedback. Let's try this continue with Google. Mostly I have created it, so let's check. Now it is asking me to verify so that it can log me into the check your Oppo. Yes, one button we got, and now it is logging me into it. Now after that, I will be able to provide a review. So how would you rate your experience? Now I can say I had enrolled for a course by the trainer on in Everyeng platform. I got everything from the course that I was looking for. I am happy and learned a lot of details related to FA basics. I wish Everyeng can bring similar courses from time to time, and overall it's a very good experience, and overall it is a very good experience. Now give you review a title, so you can give a title, for example, Everyeng courses to good. Date of experience. Okay, I can give today's date, then submit review. Now once this review is approved, you see right now it is pending. Once it is approved, it will be visible to everybody. For example, in a Okay, we can go to that same page. Don't know how to come back to that page. Do not worry. Once it is approved, mostly you will be notified in your mail also through which you have logged in. Okay, from by clicking here, so we can check the other reviews. Nice, and I have learned something new. So this is the person he has given the comment, and this is my comment only. So this way you can provide Trustpilot reviews also. Hope you understood the complete process, and this way we suggest you everybody to provide your details such that many people who are genuinely looking for any engineering courses, they can know about Everyeng platform and they enroll and learn to uplift their career as well as learning to the next level. So that's all for this small or short tutorial. Thank you.